Can a generator damage your sensitive electronics? The short answer is yes, under specific conditions. Traditional open-frame generators often produce power with significant voltage fluctuations and frequency deviations. These inconsistencies, along with harmonic distortion, can stress and ultimately damage delicate circuit boards and power supplies. However, not all generators pose the same risk. Modern inverter generators produce clean, stable sine wave power, making them safe for all electronics. Many conventional generators also incorporate automatic voltage regulation, or AVR, which significantly reduces voltage instability. Always verify your generator's output specifications. To ensure safety, always use a high-quality surge protector between your generator and electronics. Consider a UPS for critical equipment. Regularly check your generator's output voltage and frequency with a multimeter, especially during extended use, to prevent potential issues.